Welcome to our roundup of the best robot vacuum cleaner options. Whether you want hands-free cleaning, smart navigation, or a powerful solution for pet hair and dust, we have selected top-rated robot vacuums that combine strong suction, advanced mapping, and reliable performance. We will break down each model's key advantages, including cleaning modes, battery life, obstacle detection, and smart app controls, to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal robot vacuum cleaner for you. The first on the list is the Leffin M3. The Leffin M3 is a powerhouse designed for deep cleaning and reliability. It features 4,000 Pascal suction power, easily lifting pet hair and dust from both carpets and hard floors. Its LiDAR navigation system maps your home with accuracy, ensuring efficient cleaning without missing a single spot. You can control it through app and voice assistants, letting you start, stop, or schedule cleanings hands-free. The M3 also includes a mop function for dual cleaning and runs up to 200 minutes per charge with its large 5,200 mAh battery. The slim design reaches under furniture, and the anti-collision sensors keep it safe from bumps or falls. The brush system resists tangling, especially helpful for pet owners. Overall, the Leffin M3 combines power, precision, and versatility. If you want a robot that vacuums and mops while handling large areas efficiently, this one checks all the boxes. Next up is the Liectrix Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectrix delivers German-engineered precision with smart automation. It boasts 3,000 Pascal suction strength, tackling dirt and debris from multiple surfaces effortlessly. Its AI path planning technology and laser mapping create intelligent cleaning routes, while the auto-recharge and resume feature lets it continue exactly where it left off. It also doubles as a mop, featuring a smart water control system that adapts moisture levels depending on the surface. Through the app, you can customize cleaning zones, block areas, or track its path in real time. Built-in voice prompts and anti-drop sensors make it simple and safe to use. Overall, the Liectrix is perfect for those who want powerful, hands-free cleaning. It's reliable, efficient, and ideal for everyday use in busy households. Next, we have the Abir X8. The Abir X8 is all about strength and smarts. Its 6,000 Pascal suction power ensures deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors alike. With LiDAR 4.0 navigation, it scans and maps your home with extreme precision, and multi-level mapping supports larger spaces or multi-story houses. It includes both vacuuming and intelligent mopping modes, with adjustable water flow for spotless finishes. The 5,200 mAh battery runs up to 250 minutes, and it automatically returns to recharge when low. You can control everything through the app or voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Quiet yet powerful, it captures fine dust with a built-in HEPA filter, improving air quality. Overall, the Abir X8 is a heavy-duty cleaner ideal for pet owners or large homes that need consistent, thorough cleaning. Next on the list is the Leffin M330 Pro. The Leffin M330 Pro delivers impressive cleaning power in a compact design. Its 4,500 Pascal suction efficiently removes dirt, pet hair, and crumbs from every surface. With FreeMove 3.0 obstacle detection, it navigates tight spaces and avoids collisions seamlessly. Meanwhile, intelligent path planning ensures full coverage without repetition. It can vacuum and mop simultaneously, and the anti-tangle brush makes maintenance easy. You can control it through the Leffin app or voice assistants for quick scheduling and adjustments. Its 2,600 mAh battery provides up to 150 minutes of cleaning, while the low-profile design slides under furniture with ease. Overall, the Leffin M330 Pro is an excellent budget-friendly choice. It's perfect for smaller homes or pet owners who want strong suction and reliable smart control in a simple, easy-to-use package. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi Smart Sweeping Robot. The Xiaomi Smart Sweeping Robot is sleek, smart, and efficient. It uses advanced LDS laser navigation for precise mapping and route planning. Its 3,200 Pascal suction power handles everything from dust to pet fur effortlessly, while the smart water tank system manages mopping with perfect moisture control. Through the Mi Home app, you can view live maps, set restricted zones, or customize cleaning modes. It automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime from its 5,200 mAh battery. The robot also climbs over small obstacles easily and operates quietly, making it great for homes with kids or pets. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Sweeping Robot stands out for its intelligence, quiet power, and style. It's the ideal pick for tech-savvy users who want efficient, hassle-free cleaning with premium design and smart home integration. So, that wraps up the best robot vacuum cleaners available right now. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay connected and keep your home effortlessly clean.